Tell Mama what you're looking for. What are you looking for? Okay, where do you think the Easter Bunny would hide it?
Where do you think he hid it? Should we check in this thing? We see if it's in here? No. Check in here? Okay. No?
Well,
No?
those are for your friends.
Should we check Anna's room real quick? See if you maybe hid it in there? Huh. I don't see it, do you? No?
Where else could we
Where else
look?
do you think you could have hid it?
Mom and Dada's room?
Do you see it anywhere?
Not in there either? Where else could
Where
he
else
put
could
it?
he hid it? I don't think he'd put it in there. No. Should we go check in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay, go check. Where do you think you would put it in the kitchen?
Downstairs.
Oh,
No,
it's not downstairs. It's up here
No,
somewhere.
the bunny can't go downstairs. Check in the kitchen. Let's go look up there. Where do you think the bunny would put it?
Where could he hide it
Where
in
could
the
he hide
kitchen?
it? Where do you think he'd hide it? Where do you think? In here? No? What about... Where else could he hide it? Open the other side.
Try again.
Oh!
Whoa! You found it!
Is that where the Easter Bunny put it?
Yeah.
Jeez!
Now you gotta see what's in it. What kind of a basket is on there? Yeah. You got a book? Yeah.
Read it.
Look at they pop out.
That silly Easter Bunny.
That's it.
What else is in there? Oh.
Why you sit?
Wow, what kind of jammies?
That's
Thomas jammies. What else did you get? Yeah, there's the bottom.
Is that the pants?
Yeah.
What else? Elmo socks. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta pull hard. Can you get it?
No, my
Ooh, what else do you see in there?
What else is in here?
Yeah, you can do it. You just can't help. Who's on
Who's
that?
on that?
That's Conrad.
Let me
Yeah.
see. Go like this. Hold it like this. See? Spider-Man.
Can you hold it up to you? Let's see.
Hold it up to you. See if it fits.
Ooh. What
What
else?
Yeah.
What's that?
What's on that shirt?
What's on there? A tree? Wow. Choo-choo.
Okay, a couple more things in there. Sucker. Not right now. Later today.
Finish checking your basket.
Yeah.
What is it? Let me see.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Okay, yeah, we can bring that with today to church for you to look at.
What else
What's
is
the
in
last
here?
thing in there? Shoes. Look at those. Do you think you'll like them?
No,
No?
my leg.
You do like them, okay. What do you say to the Easter Bunny?
Cake.
You think?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Mimi.
You can't eat it now, but you can hold it. We gotta eat breakfast.
I might eat taco.
I'll eat it later.
No.
No.
Maybe in church.